Because we're talking a lot about Juliana, but she's not even on trial. It's Brendan Banfield who's on trial. And there was some video played today of him at a McDonald's where this was part of the plot. He was supposed to go to work but be at a McDonald's, and he was going to stay there until Juliana called him to say, it's time now to come to the house. There's a man here that's attacking your wife. And that was the entire setup for him to come and shoot and kill this man who the prosecution says they lured in. So this was shown to the jury today. What do you all think about Brendan Banfield's innocence in all of this? Because it really doesn't matter about Juliana. It's whether they are going to believe him or his defense.
But let's go back for a second, right? You don't have to believe her all the way. You don't have to I mean, if you discredit her enough, it's not, is he innocent? It's, has the prosecution proven him guilty beyond a reasonable doubt? And if the defense is good at their job, you're going to stand up in closing argument and you're going to say a reasonable doubt is a reason you can give and articulate. Let me give you some reasons to doubt. She lied, she did this, she did that, and you walk the jury and give the jury every reason to doubt. So the jury may walk away saying, I don't think it's all made up, but I also don't fully believe her, and I've got some doubt as to whether or not he's guilty of murder.
So I'm gonna jump in. Okay, can I jump in really quick? And I'm just gonna say this. Okay, so I think in addition to what you're saying, when they start doing discovery, which I'm sure which is all the things that are happening, what are the patterns? What were the patterns prior to this? I feel like this is based on behavior more than anything. Like, of course, all the documents, all the things coming forward. Yeah, they have the video of the McDonald's. What were all the patterns prior to this? Did you guys set up times that you met, times that you were at the house, times that we were doing this, times you were on the phone calls? What time were you allowed to call me? What have you? So I think behavior and patterns are going to play a very big part in. Am I wrong?
And a lot of that is part of the state's case. Go ahead, Michael Jaafar.
I agree, but I think it's going to come down to whether or not the jury believed that he believed this was his ride or die chick. I think if the jury believes that he thought this was his ride or die chick, and then it doesn't matter. They're going to backfill intent. They're going to backfill patterns. They're going to backfill reasonable doubt. All of it. They think that he thought this was his ride or die chick, and she flipped on him after a few months. After then case is over.
He was not arrested for 20 months.
Yeah.
Does that mean that the state did not have a case until she flipped?
She flipped.